Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the TWINUI error message you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. We're getting a little pop-up screen that says Open TWINUI, and it's asking if you always want to open these type of links in the associated app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and copy some text I'm going to have in the description of the video. I want you to paste it into the search menu. Go ahead and open up the best match in here. And then any items in here, I want you to highlight over them using your mouse cursor or tap Control A on your keyboard and then right click and then select the trash can icon or select the delete key on your keyboard. Basically, you want to clear everything out of here and then close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. And now type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that has concluded, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And then hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do my best to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.